Hello guys, welcome back to Surya Tech World. Today I am going to show you how to install MySQL on Windows. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. First of all, go to Chrome browser and search MySQL download and click on the first link and now go to MySQL Community GPL downloads and then go to MySQL installer for Windows and this page will appear and you have to see select Windows operating system and you have to download 306 MB file. No thanks, just start my download. Download will start. After completion of download, double click on it. Click on run. Oh. Click on yes. Download will start. Click on yes. Now we have to choose full and click on next. And now we have to execute all the products. Execute it. It is installing. It will take some time to install all the products. Now all the products have been successfully installed. Click on next and click on next and don't change any settings and click on as it is next. Same, use default, use strong password encryption for authentication. Click on next and in this page we have to set the password. Give some password according to your. After setting the password, click on next and click on as it is next. Now click on next as it is and execute all the steps and click on finish and click on next and click on finish. And now we have to enter the password that which we have given. On now connection succeed. Click on next and click on execute. And now MySQL has been successfully installed. Click on finish. It shows MySQL has been successfully installed. And now we have to set the path in environmental variables. So click on environmental variables. We have to set the path in this path. Click on new, click on edit. So we have to set the path in this. Go to C drive and go to program files. Go to MySQL folder and go to MySQL folder and click on bin and copy this path. And now click on environmental variables. Click on edit. Click on path first and then edit and click on new and we have to edit. Already I am installed in my environmental variables, so don't need. And go to CMD, check MySQL version, MySQL hyphen version. MySQL version 8.0.40 has been successfully installed. In this way, you have to install MySQL on Windows platform. Thank you.